our season is like very, very cold and nothing's really growing. And let's say we want to do winter services. How would I go about that if nothing? If we already did most of the services throughout the season, and there's not much to do.
You got to get creative of what services can be done during the winter if you're not doing snow, right? And so what you got to realize, typically during the winter, you're going to have windstorms and you're going to have, the leaves kind of, they fall off in the fall, obviously, but then they kind of trickle down throughout January, February, and there's still some hanging on, depending what type of trees you have in the yard. You just need a windstorm every couple weeks. You just need, a really good rainstorm that makes things, kind of look bad in the beds. But you just got to get creative, right? Like, raking out the beds can happen consistently. Blowing things off can happen consistently. Raking up the leaves, trimming the bushes off of the house, checking the gutters. You don't have to clean the gutters out, just check them. Make sure that there's no downspouts that are clogged up, especially in a place like New Jersey where you got a lot of people that are retirees or snowbirds and they fly down to Florida or elsewhere. They absolutely see a lot of value in having someone at their property just to check on it every couple weeks. And so you are selling peace of mind, right? You are selling, you're an insurance policy on their $1 million house, and they're literally paying you a couple $100 a month. So for you to have eyes on the property, make sure nothing looks stupid. And that can be part of your winter services, is like take pictures and send a owner if there's any suspicious activity. That's a lot of really great value to someone who owns $1 million house, and that's the bulk of their net worth, and they're down in Florida for 4 or 5 months. The value equation, again, for someone who has 2 houses, 3 houses, a bunch of businesses, a high net worth, is very different compared to the average working citizen.